Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
James Hoban. After the fire, James Hoban, the original architect, was commissioned to lead the rebuilding of the White House. In 1817, the building was completed and President James Monroe moved into the White House.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On August 24, 1814, during the War of 1812 between the United States and England, British troops enter Washington, D.C. and burn the White House in retaliation for the American attack on the city of York in Ontario, Canada, in June 1813.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, many, many times. Today there is a marker embedded in the floor of the White House entrance hall which includes the dates of the 4 major instances of White House construction and renovation: 1792, 1817, 1902, 1952.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.